What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and with much pleasure, and the sponsor of today's video, Herominers, they're pleasant to say that they have announced their Pearl mining pool, and Herominers is probably the largest altcoin pool for mining right now. And they say here, we are pleased to announce that the Pearl mining pool is now officially open, and to celebrate the launch, we are offering 0% pool fees until August 1st, 2026. Now that's actually a pretty big deal, as every other pool has anywhere between 3 to 8% pool fees or something. I don't know where the adjustments were, but they were pretty high. They may have came down, but they have fees. And SRB miner does work with Herominers, which is the current fastest miner, and it's a 3% fee, which means instead of using SRB plus pool fees, you're only getting 3% fees while mining to Herominers on the fastest miner. So in theory, that should grant you the most amount of Pearl. And I do have a probability test going on between our previous winner, Alphamine, and SRB on Herominers. So it'll be interesting to see the results of that, because I know you guys love watching those types of videos as well. So first, I'm going to show you how to mine this, and then I'll show the results of which pool is earning you the most amount of Pearl. So first thing you're going to need here is obviously a wallet to mine Pearl. All right, so here is their wallet. I will have a link to this down in the description, but keep in mind, we'll see if GitHub links will work or not. But here it is. So simply download the proper one for you. Here's the Windows download exe installer. For Mac OS, do the .dmg, and for Linux, get the .deb. And down here, you can see these are the binaries to download for you. So for Windows here, obviously here is the exe. Most of you guys are probably running that. And then as basic wallet setup, get your seed phrase, confirm it's there, make sure you save it somewhere safe, hit the receive button, get your wallet address, and continue on to the next step. All right, so now that you have your wallet set up and you got your receiving address, just come into the Herominers pool here and click on the start button. So we're going to start this in Windows, but before we do, you got to see where your stratums and everything is. So right here is a list of all Herominers stratums. They got quite a bit of them, and then obviously you just choose the one with your lowest latency, and that'll be the one in green. For me, you can see it is this one right here. And then from that point moving down, we can just see all our miners that we need. Now keep in mind, you can also solo mine. Now everything I say here, if you want to solo mine, just put solo and then colon in front of your wallet address, and that'll allow you to solo mine Pearl. And I know that is a feature that most pools don't have. There's very few of them, and Herominers is one of them that allows you to solo mine yourself some Pearl. So that's awesome. So we're going to start this one out in Windows. So click on SRB Miner Windows here. And then if you need SRB Miner still, simply click this link right here, and it'll open up the latest SRB, which we can see is version 3.3.4. And then just simply download the Windows zip. Yes, SRB now has native Windows support, so it makes life easy. No more WSL. So just download that one and extract it. Once you get that done, just come down here, and you can see it is by defaulted. There will be one in SRB Miner, but you can also just copy this like so. Right click, copy that. And the only thing you will need to change here is your wallet address. Everything else is set up. Obviously, choose the closest stratum for you in here, unless you want to mine to .de. So you will have to adjust that pool here for the closest one to you. But even if you forget to do that and just add your address in, you are good to go. But remember, keep in mind, pick the closest stratum for you, and it will be in green here, defaulted, depending where you're browsing from. So it'll be easy to find out where it is. So once you get this copied here, then we got to bring up our bat file from where we extracted SRB Miner. All right, so once you got that downloaded and have it extracted, you'll see a whole list of multiple bat files. If you scroll down, you'll see a start mining Pearl. Now you can just choose any one. Like I said, Herominers has that copy and paste here, but I'm just going to go straight up to the Pearl one here. We're going to edit that in a notepad. Now you can see I already have mine set up, but I'm going to do it just like you were. So I'm just going to get rid of everything, delete, got rid of that. And I'm just going to paste in exactly what we copied from Herominers. So now we're going to come into here and show you how to set everything up. So again, we need to adjust our pool to our closest stratum. For me, it is right here, 33 milliseconds. So I'm just going to copy this one, right click, copy that. Now we do have to find our port. So our default port is 1200 for everything you can see here. So I'm just going to go with that. So our port is 1200, just so you know. We're going to paste this in right here, or we can just even leave the port there as is and then just paste that in right there. So uspearl.herominers.com, port 1200. We're good to go here. Now I got to put in my wallet address right here. So I got to find that right quick. All right, so I do have my wallet address. I'm just going to delete this here. Now make sure you have one space after wallet. So I just went backspace, one more space, and now paste in my wallet address. We're going to put in a period, and I'm going to go Rabid WS for Rabid Workstation. That's it. That's all you got to do. Adjust the pool to the one where you want it based on your latency, and then put in your wallet address and your worker name, and that's all you got to do. We're going to hit file here. We're going to save that like this. I like to always save it twice. It doesn't matter. That won't do anything, but I do it anyway. So now we're just going to bring this up and double click right here, run that, and now we should begin connecting to Herominers and mining away on our GPUs in Windows. There we go. We are connected to usherominers.com, port 1200. We found a share. Awesome sauce. Everything's looking good. Now, if we come in and take a look at our actual mining address, so let's just see right here. There we go. And obviously I have been mining here, so I am detected, but we've seen it's working. This is the pool I'm currently mining on. So there we can see all my rigs rocking away, but here is Rabid Workstation. And you can see less than a minute ago, we already have that share found and detected at the pool. So things are looking really good. Now that you got Windows figured out, let's jump into HiveOS. Actually, before we do that, in case you have a question, let's go over solo mining. So it's pretty simple. As I mentioned, you just put solo : right in front of your address here. So this is all you'd have to do. So right in front of your address, just put solo and then : There you go. Now you're all set. If I save this and run this miner now, it will solo mine Pearl for me, and that's all you got to do. So it's pretty simple to get up and running for solo mining if that's something you want to do. Now let's actually jump into HiveOS, and it is pretty simple. If we come into here, we scroll on down more. This is where SRB Miner Windows was. We're just going to click beside it on SRB Miner HiveOS, and then we're just going to copy all this stuff right here. So right click, copy this. We're going to come into our HiveOS here. So click on that. And now we're going to come into our flight sheet, and we're simply just going to paste this from clipboard. So click on that. Boom. Everything is in there. Now, if you don't yet have a wallet, just simply click add wallet into here. Pick Pearl. It already has it. Paste your wallet address in here and name it whatever you want, like GUI or test video or, you know, test pool, test Herominers, whatever you want. Paste your wallet address in here and put that in there, and whatever you did name it will show up here, and that's all you got to do. In this case, I'm going to use GUI2 because that is my default wallet that I use for everything. And if you go to setup miner config, you can see everything is set up here, but we are going to have to adjust that pool to the pools where lowest latency. All right, so we're going to jump back into Herominers here, and you can see my lowest latency was us.pearl.herominers. So I'm going to right click, copy that. Remember, our port we're using is 1200 here. Come into HiveOS, and we're going to adjust that so the port is there, so we don't have to do anything. Just paste that in right there, and then we're going to paste it in down here as well. And then we're also going to have to adjust our wallet and worker name. As you can see, it has our wallet is here, but worker has worker name, your worker name. We're going to get rid of that. We don't need that here with this version. So you can actually delete that completely, but in later versions, you will need that. So we're just going to have wallet.worker name. So I'm just going to come into here. I'm going to get rid of this too. And I'm just going to paste that like so, right click and copy that. And I'm going to put that one in right here as well. Bam, there you go. So it's going to pull our wallet, and then we have our period here, and then our worker name will be there as well. And if you do want to solo mine, pretty simple, just hit solo like this, put in your : bam, now we are solo mining. All set that way, but we're not going to be solo mining here. So this is how we set up our flight sheet. Everything should be good to go. Here's our custom miner name, install URL, all set. We're going to apply those changes, and I'm going to name this Herominers Pearl test video. So I'm going to run this so you can actually see it's working. So I'm going to create that flight sheet, Herominers Pearl test video. And I'm going to open it up, and we're going to come into, I guess, this rig right here. And now I am going to find test video and we're going to send that to the moon, and I'm going to SSH into my rig so you can see it's actually working. So we're going to log in and then simply hit miner. Let this thing kind of restart because it's going to shut down the other one. There we go. It's shutting it down. All right. So now it should start engaging the new flight sheet. Here we go. Rocking away. Detected all the GPUs. Here we are, us.pearl herominers.com, port 1200. Everything is all set. We're going to wait for some shares to make sure we are mining. But so far, everything's looking good. We're not shooting out any errors. If we had any issues, it would have happened by now. So to me, everything's looking good, but we will confirm that a share is found. And there it is. Share is found. All good. We are mining away on HiveOS. Now, another great point I do want to point out to you guys that I'm really enjoying here is the A2000s work with SRB miner, so they work on Herominers. So that's awesome on that, because when I was using Alpha Pool, I had to split it up because the miners would not work on Alpha Pool. The new versions might. I haven't tried it since because I am noticing I am earning more out here. Now that I got you set up in both Windows and HiveOS, let's take a quick peek at my pool test just to see what things are looking like on the profitability standpoint with Herominers versus our latest winner, Alphamine. All right, guys, so you can see our previous test, and I did release a video on that with Alphamine versus Pearl Hash, and we can see that after 7 days, Alphamine did get 30.78 coins, and Pearl Hash was at 24.2. Obviously, that means Alphamine was the winner here, and the green here is how much they're getting per day. Now we're fast forwarding for SRB Herominers versus Alphamine. It's only been 2 days so far, but we can see day one, we did get 2.62 coins on Alphamine and 2.82 on Herominers, slightly more. And then when it came to the day two here, the next 24 hours, our total here with this one right here is 5.1 coins. And then Herominers is 6.14. For day two's 24-hour earnings of 2.48 from Alphamine, and Herominers was getting 3.3277. So that 0% pool fee on top of the lower 3% only from SRB miner with the higher hash rate is panning out to add to extra earnings coming in from Herominers. All right, guys, so that pretty much does wrap up this video. Herominers is now live on Pearl, and they have 0% pool fees, so utilizing SRB miner does help you earn more Pearl while using Herominers. So hopefully this video did help you out. I know a lot of people were waiting for Herominers to finally drop and release. So here it is, and I showed you how to set it up in Windows and HiveOS, as well as gave you a little pool test to show you how well Herominers is doing so far. So thank you for checking out this video. Please share it around, hit that hype button. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.